welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Preeti, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I blow dry my hair. It's very simple. I don't use much to it, and you guys will see that in the video. So I hope you guys like it, and you guys will get to see how I got it to look like this. I mean, if you like it. If you don't, then you know, that's okay. Anyway, so please subscribe to my channel for more. I will be making more videos. Very excited. This is really fun for me, so I just want to share it with you guys, so please watch if you want to. Anyway, subscribe to my channel for more. Like this video. If you don't like it, do not like it. Just kidding. Up to you, your choice. Anyways, watch this video. I just freshly washed my hair and they're damp right now, so I'm just gonna dry them first. I'm gonna start off by applying a heat protectant. This is by Tresemme. This one has, with Morella oil. So this is the Keratin Smooth. It's an anti-freeze, it detangles, silky shine, soft feel, tames flyaways, heat protectant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So this has, it says 5 benefits, 1 system. I like this. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair for now. As you guys know, it's very important to apply heat protectant in your hair. You don't want them getting damaged or the ends getting super dry, because that has happened to me before. I'm going crazy now just because I really like the smell. So we're going to massage our forehead just a little bit to mix the spray that we sprayed. So that helps a lot. So once that's done, I'm just going to comb my hair, detangle any tangles that are in there. Detangle. Okay, so just slowly, see, stop. So slowly, you're just going to comb out your hair. It's better to comb them out when it's wet. Plus the conditioner, freshly applied conditioner, it smooths it out more. When they're dry, it usually tends to hurt a little bit more. And your hair tends to fall out a lot more when you comb them when it's dry. But everybody has their ways, so no worries. So this is something that I do for my hair. You don't absolutely have to try it if you don't like the way I do it. But if you do, hey, here's some tips. It's very easy. I keep it very simple. The more I kind of realize, the more product I apply in it, the more complicated I make my routine. But everybody has their ways. But this is just my way. Very simple routine. I don't really have a special way of blow drying them. You'll just see I just randomly blow dry random parts of my hair, and somehow it works and it straightens it out. When I'm in a rush, I usually do this just because when I don't have time to straighten my hair and you know they're still damp, this is so easy and simple for me. And yeah, so let's get started. So here's my blow dryer. This is a really simple blow dryer. This is a Remington brand. I've had this for a really long time and it works really good. So you're gonna need a little round brush just for the front parts of it. The rest I go crazy. So let's go. So my hair is almost fully dried. It's still a little bit damp. But one thing I usually like to do when it kind of gets like this is just comb them out, get rid of any tangles. So just comb them out, you know, any tangles. And I like using a round brush when I do this just because it doesn't hurt as much when you're combing out your hair when it's dry. Usually the round brush is really good and it helps a lot. I wish I knew how to give my hair a blowout, because people that can do this, I would just like to say that you are very talented. So my hair is all blow dried, and the only thing I like to do is just I like to take a straightener and just straighten the front ends. The bottom part, I just leave them a little bit wavy. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like, you know, just a little bit wave at the bottom, just to give them a little volume. So I'm going to take a straightener and I'm just going to take, you know, I'm just going to straighten them just down, nothing fancy, just to make it look more neater. And then just go over it, nothing too crazy. So this is pretty much all I do. As you guys can see, it's very straight. There is still volume as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. It was very simple. It didn't take me that long. It took me, I want to say, at least like 10 minutes. But hey, look how nice it looks. Anyways, okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye guys. Like this video. Okay, bye.